I, we just be doing this shit. We just be winning. Just started doing this shit. Just the beginning. Cause back then they didn't want me. Now my day all on me.
One. Oh shit! What's good? It's your boy BCSJ, aka J Smooth, aka JP Banks, aka J Boogie, and I'm back with another video. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'm finna hit a prank on my little brother Devon. You know what I'm saying? He in there playing the game. He just got off of work. He's trying to chill. And I'm finna go in there. I'm finna mess with him. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna unplug that bitch. This nigga's gonna be mad. I don't know how he's gonna react. Should be funny. Yeah, but make sure you hit like, make sure you subscribe. What else? That might be it. I told him I'm taking the dookie. Cause I didn't know how long this would take, but this one should be good. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the prank. It's prank time. Bro, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Bro, what you just unplugged the game for? Bro, bro, you don't grind enough on YouTube. Nigga, what? You don't grind on YouTube, bro. What are you talking about, bro? Bro, I just asked you to make a video. You talking about playing 2K, bro? It's dead, bro. Yeah, I'm playing the game, bro. But you don't grind on YouTube. Bro, yeah, we can make a video after I finish playing the game. Bro, we finna go out to eat in a minute, so how we gonna do that, bro? We can do it when we come back. You got like the video's ever gonna not be able to... Bro, what are you talking about, bro? Why are you not gonna be good outside, bro? Okay. Bro, you can turn the light on. Bro, the glare's gonna mess it up. Nigga, you already know. Bro. So you just came in, unplugged the game instead of saying, hey, you trying to do a video after you finish this game? Bro, so I didn't just ask you, bro? But you didn't ask me to do it after I finish the game. You guys said I was gonna play the game. And you just said, oh, like, all right, good. So you act like you don't hop right off the game, bro. After I finish the game, if we're gonna do a video, why wouldn't I hop off the game? I don't know, bro. Bro, you're not even making any sense, bro. What are you talking about? You ugly or you mad? Bro. Ugly. Bro, shit ain't funny, bro. You ugly as doing, bro. Stop. Bro, move. Bro. Are you getting mad? Bro, move. Oh, you big man. Bro, move, bro. Trying to play the game. What are you doing, bro? Bro, watch out, bro. Bro, who you getting loud with, bro? Bro, I'm talking to you, nigga. Who else? You the only one in here, bro. Move. Bro, watch out, bro. Bro. You really mad? Bro, move. Stop playing, bro. You really mad. Turn the game, bro. Play the game back up, bro. Play the game back up, bro. Bro, watch out. You really mad? Bro, watch out. Bro, watch out, bro. Bro, watch out. You can turn the game back on. Bro, I'm not even doing a video at this point, bro. That shit dead. Alright, baby ass. Nope, not doing that shit. I don't want to do a video. Nope, I'm playing it, bro. I want to play 2K. Bro, I ain't doing that shit, bro. That shit dead. You ain't doing what? The video. Cry baby ass. I don't care what you gotta say, nigga. Plug the game back up, nigga. Nope. Bet, no, alright. I'm doing that shit anyways. Shit dead. You not doing the video? Nope. You sure? Sure. Bitch ass nigga. I don't give a fuck. Don't be my pet ass nigga. I'm not caring, nigga. You just did a video. It's just a prank. Stupid botfly ass. Bro, so you just... That's not even no prank, nigga. You still just unplugged in the middle of my game, nigga. Ain't no prank, nigga. That nigga is bad, bro. We don't got no minutes, bro. It's 3 minutes. But yeah. Cause you did that bullshit. Fuck on me when I was trying to sleep. Damn, that nigga's weird, bro. That bitch actually. Niggas are weird. You was doing a my league anyway. It wasn't like you was doing no my career. Bro, it's in the middle of my game, bro. I was just having a good game and I got shot that bitch over. Niggas is weird. You know what I'm saying? I got him. This nigga is mad. You know what I'm saying? Hey, prank war is not over, nigga. Shouts out to Jada. Look at her ugly ass up in here. She did. Right, so I gotta get both of y'all? Because she did know about it. You was in on it? So I gotta get both of y'all? Bet.
She wasn't in on it, but she knew about it too. That's why Jada Clutch, she got her out of the room because she was in here talking.
So like everybody's in. That's what I can hear.
Yeah, but you actually are gonna have to start your game on.
I'm gonna have to start my game over. Right. But I guess you actually had to wake up. So I mean, you heard me,
all right. That's it for us. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe. I'm probably finna upload this on my channel and BJ Joint. You know what I'm saying? Cause I can. Nigga. You know what I'm saying? But BCS boy, we out.
So much money in my dreams, that's why I sag 'em. Money handling, we got them bitches dipping, dabbling. Ain't no grappling, we got sticks and move packages. I fuck with savages, me and my niggas.